Hey, Ozzy,
Oh, hey Artie, what's up?
I want to show you this one.
Wow, what is that?
That's a bird whistle. It can call any sounds, like the sea, the Titanic, and I'll blow it. Waka 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 waka.
Wait, what was that?
It's a bird whistle. It calls birds.
No, it's not, because it sounds like Pac-Man.
Oh yeah?
Wait, that sounds like a turkey.
Oh, nice. Anything. Ooh.
That's the Titanic.
Oh yeah, this is the most amazing thing I've ever seen. It changed all sounds of things.
Whoa, I never heard a sound like this one. This must be like a shooting star, right?
Oh yes, that's right. It turns anything changes.
Yeah, that's the one. Never mind. I forgot what it is.
Okay, yeah.